Hello and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Now, if you remember last week, we were looking for Betty. I looked for Betty all over the place. I just couldn't find her. But, she is a very busy super bunny, and she's always on the lookout for children who have been doing a super job with their learning and their reading. But something else has happened this week, and it got me wondering about things. First, if you look up behind me, there's all sorts of vines that seem to be growing on my board, on the Year of Being Brave board. And I didn't know why I had all these vines growing there. Then I got a letter. Yep, I received this letter. It was on my desk. And then I heard that we had a mystery egg in nursery and leads class, and that something had hatched out of the egg. Then I heard it was Bigu, and some of the children in Lee's class told me they thought that Betty might be with Bigu. And then these pictures popped up in my email. So Betty is with Bigu, and I got this letter. So you want to hear what the letter has to say? All right. Dear Mrs. Prince, wanted to tell you not to worry about me. I'm with Bigu. Bigu hatched this week, and I thought I would show her around the school. We have been having lots of fun. And we thought that we would decorate your office a little bit by letting some vines grow all over your board. Oh, well, it does look nice. Bigu and I have also been looking at tapestry and checking on the children and their work. And we've left you a list of names that we think should go for the Head Teachers Award. Hope to see you next week. Love, Betty. And Bigu. Wow, well, what a fantastic adventure Betty and Bigu must be going on. You need to keep an eye out. They can be quite sneaky. You might see them peeking on you around the corner. So now we're ready to give out all of our awards. And of course, the first awards are going to be our Going for Gold awards. Going for Gold. Right. In Leads class, we have Macaulay for being kind and caring and always asking grown-ups if they are okay. We also have Amaya for becoming more confident when speaking. In York class, we have Zach and Ruby for super shape work. In Hull class, we have Sam for fantastic effort in maths and English, and Ivy for creative pond scene. In Nottingham class, we have Caleb for super maths work on length and height. We also have Katie for trying hard to focus and making an improvement in her handwriting. In Liverpool, we have Daisy for super imagination with her innovative story map of Goldilocks. We also have Ieva for super speedy times tables. In Cardiff class, we have Ella for trying hard in English to use interesting vocabulary, and Isabel for making great contributions during shared writing. In Edinburgh 1, we have all the children in class this week who have sent in into Tapestry their reading diaries. It is the most the class has had with children doing that in 1 week, and Mrs. Keenan is very proud of all with their reading. In Edinburgh 2, we have Tex for really persevering with improving his handwriting. He has tried his best, and all the teachers in there are very proud. We also have Noah for his wonderful presentation in his books. He always takes his time and he takes care with his work. In Cambridge class, we have Kyla and Emily for going above and beyond to make sure the classroom is neat and tidy. In Oxford class, we have Erin for an excellent clay banana and Vernice for a fantastic clay strawberry. In Chester class, we have Lucas for hard work in English, creating and finish a story booklet about the rainbow fish, and great resilience in completing all of his work to a high standard. Well done to all of you children. Let's give them a big hand, a big round of applause. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Brave Awards. First, we have in Lee's class, Leo for intellectual bravery for being brave enough to taste seaweed. And Harper P for remaining focused when looking for Bigu and following clues. In York class, we have Anaya for coming to school every day with a smile. In Hall class, we have Lorraine for joining in songs and rhymes, and Evie for great effort in maths. In Nottingham, we have Jacob B for trying new foods at lunchtime and having a school dinner. We also have Lacey for having the confidence to try new things. In Liverpool, we have Freya for putting her reading record on Tapestry, and Lily for doing the same thing. In Cardiff class, we have Archie for empathetic bravery for being very kind during last week's music lesson. And Leighton for intellectual bravery. He's kept trying with work on division and he hasn't given up. In Edinburgh 1, we have Gia for bravery and her confidence in settling into Edinburgh 1 this week. She is a delight. We also have Casper for developing intellectual bravery this week, focusing more and answering questions. In Edinburgh 2, we have Stuart for empathetic bravery. He takes his time, he listens to others, and he helps them if they feel unsure. We also have Chloe for moral bravery. She has really been working hard this half term, and Miss Lofthouse can see a huge improvement in her attitude to learning. In Cambridge class, we have Ethan for showing disciplined bravery and making sure that he is always doing the right thing. In Oxford class, we have Dasha for being brave when tackling the fraction questions. And in Chester class, we have Kai for resilience in English and not giving up when he found a task more challenging. And also intellectual bravery for completing his story booklet. Another great group of children. Well done to all of you. Excellent. Now we have the Head Teachers Award, and this is coming from a list that Betty and Bigu have done for us. First, we have in Edinburgh 2, Oscar for reading every day, even on a Saturday and a Sunday. Wow, Oscar, well done. We also have Cooper in Cambridge class for consistently sending in his reading record to Miss Housecroft. She has been very impressed with that, and so have we. Well done, Cooper. Also in Cambridge class, we have Lottie Lou, because last week she consistently has been doing the right thing, and that's very important. Making good choices and doing the right thing helps us all to do our work and helps us to be kind and caring. And then the big Head Teachers Award goes to all the children in Cardiff, Edinburgh 1, and Edinburgh 2 because of the fantastic spring show that we had on Monday. If you are a parent and you haven't seen the Lower Key Stage 2 spring show, you really must look for that link. It's on our YouTube channel. It is fantastic, and we're so very proud of all the children and their hard work. But also a Head Teacher Award goes to all of the staff who helped to put the show together. We've had to learn lots of new skills in the last year, and they were put to good use for our spring show. Well done to all of you. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. Well, it is time for a weekend. I hope everyone has a good week and Monday ready for a new challenge. Have a good weekend. Bye.